Hi, you guys are really going to love this video because we are heading towards the summer in the next few weeks, and I felt this is the right time to publish this video so that in case if you are planning to take a break for your vacation, what could be the best spots to go. I'm sure I have tried to cover the most part. Let's jump into the video. British Columbia has beautiful landscapes and exciting destinations for you to explore during the summer. These are some of the recommended places to visit in BC during this summer. When it comes to Vancouver, the first thing which comes into your mind is the Stanley Park for its exotic beauty. You could explore the scenic wall and indulge yourself into the outdoor concerts and cultural events. Next on our list will be British Columbia's capital city, which is Victoria. Victoria has a couple of interesting spots for you to go and see. The Inner Harbour, the beautiful garden which is called as Bochart, and you could have a scenic drive along the coastline. Next spot would be Whistler. Whistler is famous for both winter as well as summer. During winter, people used to go for hiking and mountain biking, and during the summer, it is famous for the zip lining. You could also enjoy the breathtaking mountain sceneries and vibrant village atmosphere. Next on the list will be Okanagan Valley for its excellent vineyards, wineries, and beautiful lakes. Enjoy the wine tasting, the water sports, hiking, as well. You could relax on the sandy beaches. You could find two interesting spots in the Vancouver Island, which is Tofino and Ucluelet. So you would be able to discover the charming towns with great people. Enjoy the surfing, whale watching, beach combing, and explore the Pacific Rim National Park. Next on the list will be Kootenay National Park, which is located on the Canadian Rockies. Please don't miss this park. It's one of my favorite spots too. Take scenic drives, hike through alpine meadows, and soak into the hot springs. Harrison Hot Spring, another natural beauty covered with mountains and forests. Enjoy the boating, fishing, and lakeside walks. Next would be the Gulf Islands. So explore the Gulf Islands, which has popular destinations such as Salt Spring Island, Galiano Island, and Pender Island. Enjoy the laid-back island lifestyle, art galleries, local markets, and outdoor activities. Barkerville. Step back in time at Barkerville Historic Town and Park, a restored gold rush town from the 1800s. Enjoy the live performances, gold panning, stagecoach rides, as well the experience of the exhibits. Discover the natural wonders of Wellsgrey Provincial Park, known for its waterfalls, including Helmicken Falls and Dawson Falls. Enjoy the camping, hiking, fishing, and wildlife viewing. These are just a few examples of the many incredible places to visit in BC during the summer. Each location offers unique experiences and opportunities to enjoy the province's stunning natural beauty and outdoor activities. This is the end of the video. Please do like, subscribe. If you want me to cover any more videos about Canada, please do drop me a comment. Thank you.